today's world, the term Illuminati is the hottest topic, be it on social media and pop culture or whispered among the masses. From mega businessmen to stars like Honey Singh, Diljit Dosanjh, and even Hollywood figures like Jimmy Fallon. Rumors suggest that these celebrities are all part of the secret group. But what exactly is the Illuminati, and why do people get so fascinated with it? The Illuminati at its core is said to be a mysterious and powerful group, rumored to control or influence world events from the shadows. But where did this idea come from? The term Illuminati originally referred to the Bavarian Illuminati, a secret society founded in 1776 in Germany. In the world of pop culture, these stars often use symbols like the all-seeing eye or perform strange rituals during their shows or music videos. Fans and conspiracy theorists point to these gestures as signs that they are part of the Illuminati. While the Illuminati continues to be a topic of fascination, it's important to keep in mind that much of the hype around it is based on speculation, imagination, and conspiracy theories. Most of this so-called evidence linking celebrities and influential people to the Illuminati is based on symbols, gestures, and rumors with little to no factual backing. Despite the lack of solid proof, the Illuminati fascinates us because it taps into our natural curiosity about power, secrecy, and the unknown. We love the idea of hidden forces controlling the world, even if it seems a little far-fetched. Whether it's the stars we admire or the billionaires we envy, there's something deeply captivating about the idea that these figures are connected to something powerful and mysterious. The truth may never be known, but the myth continues to grow strong.